this video, I'll show you how to delete empty rows in Zoho Sheet so you can keep your spreadsheets clean and easy to work with. Whether you're organizing financial data or large information sets, removing blank rows makes everything more efficient. Start by locating the empty row you want to remove. You can scroll through your sheet and easily spot any row with no data. Once you find it, click on the row number on the left side of the screen. This highlights the entire row and prepares it for deletion. With the row highlighted, right-click on the row number. A menu will appear with several options. Choose the delete row option and the empty row will be removed instantly. If you delete the wrong row by mistake, you can always undo the action using the toolbar undo button or by pressing Ctrl Z. Keeping your spreadsheet free of empty rows is more than just visual cleanup. It helps prevent issues when sorting, filtering, or running formulas because empty spaces can sometimes interrupt your workflow or cause unexpected behavior. And that's all it takes. A quick and simple way to keep your Zoho sheet organized and efficient. Thanks for watching and remember to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.